So you got your new devices and you want to make sure that you're paired up with your Android phone. What I have here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 model. And what I'm going to do is go directly into the settings menu and then come into where it looks at connections. And I click on connections and then I click on Bluetooth. And what I should see here is Dave hearing aids, indicating that I'm connected in that status. I can also disconnect by just clicking on it and it says Bluetooth connection is disabled. Click on it again and now it's telling me that's connected. I can verify that within the Thrive app by ensuring that I'm seeing in the upper right hand corner that there's no red exclamation mark through the hearing aid icon. And it shows that both devices are now connected for use with the Thrive app to control volume control and memory changes, as well as the advanced features that I have available.